Hi and welcome to another video from Experiencing IT. In this video I will add 2 new hard drives to the NAS server build I've installed before, and I will set up RAID 1. I will also replace the system drive and install Openmediavault fresh. What I'm going to do here is to remove the old drive and install the new ones. Okay, to create a RAID, let's go to RAID Management under the Storage menu. I'm going to click Create. The RAID level I'm going to select Mirror, and for the name, wait for it, Mirror. I'm going to select both hard drives that will be part of the mirror. I'm going to click Create, Yes, and click OK. I'm going to click now Apply, and again confirm that I really want to apply the changes, and I'm going to wait for changes to be applied.
Six hours later.
Okay, now that we have the RAID created, let's create a file system. For that, I'm going to File Systems, I'm going to click Create, select the device which is the mirror, and call it Storage. The file system, I'll leave the default ext4. I'm gonna click OK, Yes to confirm, and I'll wait for the file system to be created. Once the file system is created, you just have to mount it, and with that you would have the device ready to start creating the shared folders. If you'd like to watch how to create a shared folder, click on the link on the top right corner or check the link in the video description below. With this I end this video, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please smash the like button, don't forget to subscribe and to activate the notifications by clicking on the bell button. See you soon on another episode.